boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Katy Perry, and she really gets in some troubles here. If you watch the music video, you know what I'm talking about. And the answer to that is Band-Aids, all right? Maybe not the best solution, but anyway, it's a great song. Let's go into this song, Band-Aids from Katy Perry, and let's look at the setup here. Capo on first, absolute best scenario for us, and with that we have only 4 chords, so very easy to handle this song, guys. Let's go over the chords. We're gonna start with G. Third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. That's the first chord. A minor next. So A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have C. That will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally we have the E minor. And that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so 4 simple chords. The challenge here could be to handle it with the strumming pattern because it goes pretty fast. We got a high action here, so we're gonna play down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so like that. I just had the A minor here, so we'll go with that chord. So the first part, because we need to split it, is the first 2 down ups. So down, up, down, up. That's the first part. And then the second part is clap, up, down, up. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, a couple rounds. And if you speed up a little bit, it will be something like this. And so on. And that's what we're aiming for. Now let's go into the first verse here. That's how the song starts. And you're gonna play G, 3 full rounds, both part 1 and part 2, plus part 1. So almost 4 rounds. So 3 plus part 1, and then you go into the A minor and play only part 1, and then you go to C and play 4 full rounds. Okay, so that is 1 round. So G, 3 rounds plus part 1, A minor, part 1, and C, 4 rounds. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. Let's do 1 round together. It goes like this. Okay, so 2 rounds of that. That's the first verse. Into the pre-chorus now, 41 seconds in. Got so used to you. That's why on the lyrics. Now you're gonna play the same chords, G, A minor to C, but you're gonna play just the first down. Imagine you play the strumming as if you would play the verse play, but you play only the first down and you have pauses in between. So you're gonna play an exact same like that, okay? So imagine you play it, but you play it very quietly, not at all that means. And that is how you handle the pre-chorus. You're gonna play it only once like that, G, A minor, and C. And then comes the chorus. It starts about 51 seconds in. Tried all the medications. Now you're gonna play that G, 3 string rounds plus part 1, then A minor, part 1, and C, 4 full rounds. And then you continue with E minor, 4 full rounds, and C, 4 full rounds. All this considered 1 chord progression round. And in this first chorus, you're gonna play it only once. So let's do that together. G, 3 plus part 1, A minor, part 1, C, 4, E minor, 4, C, 4, like this. That is the first chorus. Okay, let's jump back to the second verse and just play exactly the same as the first one. And the same goes with the second pre-chorus. The second chorus though is twice as long. You're gonna play the same, but it's for 2 rounds of that G, A minor, C, E minor, C. So 2 rounds of that, and that's the second chorus. After that comes the bridge slash instrumental part. And what you're gonna do here is to play that G for 3 string rounds plus part 1, then A minor part 1, and C 4 full string rounds. And then you go into the same chord progression here as the chorus, but you're gonna play just 1 down per chord. So G, A minor, C, and then E minor, and finally C. And that is the end of that bridge instrumental part. So that's that, and then finally we have this third chorus, and that one is played with the same chords 1 round, and that, my friends, is how Katy Perry song ends, Bandaids. So nice song, very fun to watch actually. She has funny humor, maybe a little bit brutal or so, but yeah, and a nice song to play as well. So good luck with this, guys. Until next time, play tuned.